Alright, so, hey guys, we're back with another video. And today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be playing some Minecraft Pocket Minecraft, Windows 10. On my screen, my, thing go. Well, I don't know where my face cam went, but that's okay. So I got World Drop for some reason. I'll create a new world. I'll create a survival let's play. Survival let's play, and let's get straight into it. Alright, so I'm in the game, of course, and I don't know where my survival. Can I fly? I know, so that's definitely a sign that I'm in survival. Alright, so so I need some animals, of course. I could have a mushroom. I need I can't find any animals so far. Gosh, what type of game is this without any animals? Did I put this on hard?
Can I do something to you?
Cause no, I didn't. Cause it has to be on normal.
Every day I wake up pathetic. So this is just our life.
You weren't like this yesterday.
I'm trying to deal with it. She's been asking me to look at things and do things.
Sorry, guys. You don't have to listen to my mom and dad.
I just got dressed and I got to get on the ground. Damn, and then do I look good?
Hey,
look good.
language.
You're the same thing you were last night. You looked stunning last night. You're gonna look stunning today.
Wow. That was weird. So why can't I find any animals? Any animals? Oh, I'll be playing on you tonight. What's this? Let's see what it is. Are you serious? Alright, so there's gravel. Alright. But why can't I find food. Gosh, what is that? Oh, I think that was a chicken. Oh yeah, because I have this texture pack on. Tell me if you want me to get another texture pack. I'm just saying, guys. I like this one. Been doing this for 4 minutes. I can't find any animals, guys. I guess I'll just knock on wood. Hovering tree leaves. Very interesting.
When do we gotta leave?
Gosh, there's a loud noise. Are you serious?
Something with that hair, like I said, Anthony, we gotta do something with your hair.
Oh, the places we go, the places we go, the places we go.
Anthony,
Yeah,
you gotta do something with your hair.
I did do something with my hair. I
Well,
brushed
you
it.
didn't.
I did. I brushed it.
Yeah, but I think you slept on it weird, which is why it's
But
sticking up.
but when I brushed it, it looked really nice.
Look at it, Mike. I mean, what do you think?
Stand up. You don't even have your shoes on. Let
Oh,
me see. Stand up.
I put your socks on your bed. Does he have
Okay,
socks on?
just because you brushed it doesn't mean it looks
Does
good.
he have socks on?
Yes. You got bedhead. You did not brush that. And if
He
you did,
but it's got to get wet.
it's all jacked up. Look in the mirror.
I did.
See this?
Yes.
Do you think that's normal?
Yes.
No, it's all
Alright.
jacked up.
What this?
No, this is called bedhead.
Ow!
It hurts, doesn't it? Because you laid on it. You got to fix it.
And anybody who pulls people's hair.
Not that hard. It wasn't that hard. You got to fix it.
I'm gonna cut this video short. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.